today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new portfolio in Simply Safe Dividends. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, find the right place, and name your new portfolio so you can start organizing your dividend research with confidence. First, make sure you have an active Simply Safe Dividends account and a reliable internet connection. Open your browser and log into your account. Use your usual credentials, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that prompt as well. This keeps your account secure while you get set up. If you're already signed in from a previous session, you may be taken straight to your dashboard. Either way, you're in the right spot to begin. Next, navigate to the area where portfolios are managed. Look for a section labeled Portfolio on the main navigation menu or dashboard. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on updates, but the wording is consistent. Once you're in the portfolio area, find the option to create a new portfolio or add a new portfolio tracker. This may appear as a prominent button, a plus icon, or a link that says Create Portfolio, New Portfolio, or Add Portfolio Tracker. Click that option to begin the setup. If you don't see it right away, scroll the page or check the top toolbar. Many platforms place action buttons at the top right for quick access. When the creation screen opens, you'll be prompted to name your portfolio. Pick a clear, descriptive name that immediately tells you what the portfolio is for. For example, you might choose something like Retirement Income, Dividend Growth Watch List, or Taxable Account 2026. Keep the name brief but meaningful so it's easy to distinguish if you create additional portfolios later. Consistent naming conventions can save time down the road. Consider including the account type, goal, or year to make the purpose obvious at a glance. After you enter the name, confirm your choice using the on-screen option to continue. Once confirmed, your new portfolio is created. You'll typically see a blank portfolio view ready for your future research and tracking. At this point, you've completed the setup. If you plan to create multiple portfolios, such as separating accounts or organizing different strategies, repeat the same process, keeping your naming consistent so everything stays tidy. That's all it takes to create a new portfolio in Simply Safe Dividends. Log in, navigate to the portfolio section, choose the option to create a new portfolio or tracker, and give it a clear name. You're now set up and ready for your next steps whenever you're ready.